Hi everyone, my name is Shy Mir, but everybody calls me Shy. And the field placement that I will be doing is an agency that responds to a non-fatal overdoses. So response is made to the non-fatal overdose within 24 to 48 hours through outreach. We go to the individual's home who had the non-fatal overdose and speak with them about their treatment options. If agreeable, they are then transferred to a 23-hour observation bed, and they undergo a nursing assessment and an assessment by a licensed clinician. Or if more attention is needed than the 23-hour facility can provide, they are transferred to an inpatient psychiatric setting to undergo a more in-depth evaluation over a couple of days. And then once the evaluations are complete, we coordinate with the facilities to determine next steps of treatment. So whether that be residential rehab services, intensive outpatient, transitional housing. Typically, the individual ends up going to a 30-day rehab for treatment services. What I'm hoping to get out of this field placement is just a better understanding on addiction and why it's a disease. I'm hoping to be able to explain to people, that addiction, in my opinion, is not a choice, and it's really, really difficult to overcome. So it's very interesting to be in this field and, in this position, to be able to see firsthand how individuals are struggling and be able to give that feedback to people who may not understand addiction fully. This placement is the total opposite of my first field placement, which my first field placement catered to children ages 2 to 17, and they received, outpatient therapeutic services. We also work with their families, but mainly the focus was on the child to improve behaviors, help them work through trauma, things of that nature. So this population, like I said, is the opposite population of what I worked with before. So I'm just excited to, learn more about addiction and do some work with some adults. So yeah, it's nice to meet all of you. This is my mini-me. I wish you all well in the course and look forward to working with all of you.